Ndewonu, ndị Igbo na-amasị. Greetings to you lovers of Igbo. Unu abịala n'ihe ọmụmụ nke taa. You're welcome to today's lesson. Ka anyị mụọ Igbo. Let's learn Igbo. And so today we want to talk about greetings in Igbo. So greetings in Igbo is called Ekele ndị Igbo. Greeting is Ekele. So Igbo greetings. We're talking about Ekele ndị Igbo. So we just want to learn how to exchange pleasantries in Igbo language. All right, so usually the first thing, if you meet someone, they'll ask you, Kedu ki mere? Kedu ki mere? That just means, how are you? How do you do? A short form of that is Kedu. Somebody can just say Kedu. And what should be your response? Odema. It means it's fine. Ademuma, I am fine. So that's that. Then there's a Gen Z form. Gen Z, they'll just tell you Kekwan. They're still asking you, how are you? So your response should be Odemuma or Ademuma. Then you can also be asked Kekode. How is it? Odemuma, it is fine. But if you're talking about yourself, Kedu ki mere, you can say Ademuma or Odemuma. Odemuma is just the general answer for all of that. Kedu kode, Kedu ki mere, Kekwan, Odemuma can go for any of that. So that's that. Then to welcome someone, so if you want to welcome someone, what you say is no. Just means welcome. Or you say Ebiala, as you're talking to one person. Ebiala. Now, if you listen to my intro, when I'm starting my lesson, I usually say Una Biala. That's talking to you plural. So Ebiala is you're welcome. Una Biala. You, more than one person, are welcome. And you can also say Elola, if the person just came back from an outing. Elola, are you back? You're welcome back. Or you can say Ndewo. Ndewo is a general greeting in Igbo. It can mean hello, it can mean welcome, it can mean thank you. So Ndewo can go. Ndewo can be welcome. You can also use it and say hello. You can also use it to say thank you. So for welcome, you can tell the person Ndewo. If there are more than one person, you say Ndewo. So that's that. Then morning greeting in Igbo. So in the morning, we usually greet Ibolachi, Esalachi, or Epotala Ora. So it loosely translates to, have you seen the breaking of the day? Have you woken up? Epotala Ora. Have you come out from sleep? So Isalachi, Ibolachi, loosely. The loose translation is, have you seen the breaking of the day? Something like that. But then there's a modern form of greeting in the morning that is gradually, taking over this traditional greeting I told you, the Bolachi, Salachi. And it's translated directly from good morning. So good is Oma, morning is Ututu. So many young people will see you now and say Ututu Oma. They are just saying you good morning. It's just a new Gen Z way of greeting. Ututu Oma. Sometimes I even hear some people say Ehihi Oma. That's afternoon. Good afternoon. So if you hear that too, they are greeting you. It's just that language evolved. We are just learning that now. But if you want to sound real Igbo, just say Ibolachi, Isalachi, Ipotalora. If you say Ututu Oma, you can still go with that and get away with that. All right. Then in the afternoon, there is no particular word or phrase for greeting in the afternoon in Igbo culture. So you greet people based on what they are doing. So if, for instance, the person is going out, you can tell the person goodbye, go well. So you can tell the person gang koma or come quickly, lotabo, labo. So if the person you are passing, you see someone walking, you greet the person with GCK, that's well done. GCK no well done with your work. Or if it is someone doing business, you can read the person. You can ask about the person's business. Una na azukwa. It literally means, hope you are making sales. Una na azukwa. Then the same thing with evenings. If you see someone in the evening, you can ask the person, una azukwara. Hope you made sales. So morning and evening, there is really no particular word to greet at that time. You just greet people based on what they are doing. If they are going out, you bid them farewell. If they are coming back, you welcome them. If they are doing anything, you greet them based on what they are doing. Or if they are not doing anything, you can just say, Ndewo. I greet you. Ekele. Just that. Just say something as a form of greeting. All right. Then in the night, when people are going to bed, so how we bid good night, we say kachifo, may the day break. That's literally what it means. Or kachibo, may the day break. So may you see the breaking of the day. So good night is kachifo, mobo, kachibo. So that's how we say good night. All right, if you want to bid farewell to someone, if you want to say goodbye to someone, you can tell the person, ga nke ọma, that's go well. Ka emesịa, some other time. Ka ọ dị oge ọzọ, I can see you some other time. So ga nke ọma, go well. Ka emesịa, like see you later. Ka ọ dị oge ọzọ, see you some other time. Right. Now, if someone is doing anything, you want to tell the person, well done. Or someone did something, you want to tell the person, you did well. So well done is jisike, or daloru. So well done for the work you're doing. Jisike is like more power to your elbow. So then if someone did something well, you can tell the person, imere nke ọma, you did well. All right, then if you offend someone and you want to apologize, you can say sorry in Igbo, just a simple word, ndo. Or your expression, your tone will show that you're sorry. Say ndo. Please don't be offended. Biko eweliwe. Ndo. Biko eweliwe. That's please don't be angry. Please don't be offended. Or you can also tell the person, iwe ga dị n'ọkụ. Let your anger not be too hot. That's the literal meaning. Or you're just asking the person not to be offended. So that's how to apologize. And then, okay, if you are eating and you want to welcome someone, we're talking about pleasantries. You want to invite someone to join you in a meal, you can tell the person, Bia rieni. In African culture, we invite people to join us in a meal. Tell the person, Bia rieni. Come and eat. Come and eat. Nri abiala, or food has come. Thank you in Igbo. How we say thank you in Igbo? You can say imeela, daalụ, ndewo. You can say any of these three. Thank you is imeela, daalụ, ndewo. So that's that about how we exchange pleasantries in Igbo. So if there is any other form of greeting you want to know that we didn't teach here, just ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And then if it requires making another video, I'll do that just for you. Yeah, and that reminds me, I didn't say safe journey. If someone is making a journey and you want to bid the person to go well, you can tell the person, Ijeoma. That's actually someone's name. Tell the person, Ijeoma. It means, may the journey be well. Or ga nke ọma, it literally means go well. So that's that. And so in this lesson, we have learned how to exchange pleasantries in Igbo. We learned how are you, kedu ka imere, kedu ka ọ dị, ka ekwan. You can respond to all of that with odimma, it is fine. Or you can say adimma, I am fine. We also learned how to welcome people. Tell them no, ebiala, ndewo, ilola. We also talked about morning greeting, isalachi, Ibolachi, Ipotalora means have you seen the breaking of the day? But then forget that there is a new form of greetings in the morning. Ototuoma. You can always get away with that. If you don't remember the other one, just say Ototuoma. It literally means good morning. So I also told you there's no particular word for greeting in the afternoons and evenings. You just greet people based on what they are doing. If they are working, tell them well done. Jisikenoro. If they are going out, bid them farewell. Dankoma. If they are coming back, welcome them. If they are doing business, ask them about their business. Hope you're making sales. If they in the evening say, hope you made sales. Just like that. Then in the evening, when we are going to bed, we say kachifo or kachibo. May the day break. That's literally what it means. And then we also talked about how to apologize, how to bid someone farewell and safe journey, then how to invite someone to join you to a meal and all of that. So I hope it helps. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. And most importantly, let me hear your comments, what you have to say. So, ndewo, imela, cordial gozo. See you some other time.